Oh, my putter sucks today. Oh man, I can't find a green to save my life. Can I 3-putt another freaking hole? All those things are trail thoughts based on the brain's ability to control you. What you really need to learn is how to tell the brain to sit like a dog and be still and play dead while you play golf. Can I teach them how to almost switch on and off that theta brainwave so that they can stay relaxed and allow what they worked on with their swing coach to show up on the golf course?
So the first thing we kind of started working on was my breathing and my self-talk, because the key difference I can tell myself from here to then was I'm very positive now. I can always lift myself back up. Then I'd hit a bad shot, then I'd put myself all the way down.
Visualize yourself hitting the approach shot onto the green and knowing which side of the green you'd like to land it on.
I would start to give up rounds or act like I didn't care as much. And Steve really flipped my mindset, like, why get mad when you can just focus on the next shot?
Start recognizing what it feels like to be on the golf course, feeling the wind like you feel the wind right now. Practice noticing what's around you. Know that the engagement of your senses will bring you to the present moment.
Our team practices revolve around mental practice, which is completely different because we've never done that before. And I think it's actually been really helpful because, you know, a high school coach usually can't really do much for us like on a physical level when it comes to the swing and mechanics, but I think Steve's really helped all of us mentally, and that's a huge difference.
I've watched Griffin just be a completely player on the golf course. He has almost like no emotion. He's just right there. And every once in a while I look at him and he's facing out into the woods. He's not even looking at the green. They don't even know what he's doing. And I just started laughing. I said, well, actually what he's doing is he's just keeping himself in the present moment. He's allowing nature to kind of bring it in so that his senses can feel what it's like to just be rather than to think.
Just go out there, have fun. You've put the work in, and just control what you can control. It's going to make you a better person long run, and I think that's much more important rather than just performing better at a sport.
The idea of mental practices is not to stop thinking. It is purely to control your thinking. It is purely to engage your senses, to be present so that you can focus. You can then also eliminate distractions. And you can also then control every aspect of your muscles.
Just go try it yourself. Don't knock it till you try it.
Winning GMCs as a team would be awesome, and making districts and making state would definitely make my year. Now I have fun even if I'm playing good or bad. Like, just grateful to be on the course, and that's probably been the biggest thing I've learned. It's just to enjoy life.